Hello, it's me, Magnus from Heracles Machinery. Now we just received our first container here in Sweden. And yeah, we will open it and see what's inside. Vi har ett helt filmteam som ska filma när du lyfter ner. So this is our first container arriving. It's 7 machines in this container. And now she's gonna lift down the container to the side with this special trailer. So take a look. Very nice. Okie dokie, so I will just pop it open and we will see. Okay, let's see. Oh, our small dumper. And also we have some sweepers here. Also we will receive an engine here for a customer that needs to change his engine. This is our DT10 and the sweepers for H130. And then we have the 160, S25. And after that I cannot really see. We will see. Yeah.
What's your first impression? How does it look?
I don't see any damages. That's really good. Sometimes when it's on rough sea, you know, the container will just move around and then you have problems. But it looks like everything looks okay. So that's good. Very good. Ja, det är klart. Nu är det bara att köra. Nu är det bara att köra. Dela lite mer. This is the sweeper for our 130. We have 4 of those in this container. It will be shipped to one of our customers that have ordered it, so it's already sold. And the machines in this container is basically just show machines for our showroom, so we can invite customers to come to Sweden just to test the machines and yeah, welcome here, come to Sweden. So this is our container ramp. We use this for drive the forklift out inside the container and drive out the goods. Yeah, this container ramp you can order from us if you need for unloading containers. We produce it ourselves. Just send us an email and we can quote you. So we are enjoying the nice Swedish weather. It's minus 40 degrees.
40.
If anyone feels for a holiday, like come to Sweden, take a swim. Again, Magnus from Heracles Machinery. So now we have received our container It was 7 units of our machines. Yeah, we can take a quick look. I can walk you guys through all of our models that we received. We can start with this one. So this is our dumper, DT10. It has the payload 1000 kilo and the weight is 500 kilo on this machine. And it has this self-loading bucket. Yeah, very good dumper with Briggs & Stratton engine. So I really liked this dumper. It's perfect for rental business or yeah, if you're gonna move a lot of material. Very good machine. And then we have this machine, our S25, our small skid steer. 600 kilo tipping load, Kubota engine, original Kubota. Really nice machine when you have like the narrow construction site, demolition, like work on demolition sites, construction sites. Yeah, farmers as well. It has a bobcat quick hitch. You can get it with forks, buckets. Yeah, there's a lot of tools and attachments for this machine. Also, it has the hydraulic function here. It operates with 2 sticks, like a traditional bobcat. Yeah, very nice machine. So this is our 160, H160. It's a very low weight machine. This is good if you're gonna take it on a trailer maybe. You're gonna move around to different work sites. Also, it's good for a farmer. It's very good in narrow spaces as well. The weight is 1180 kilo and it has operation capacity for 600 kilo. Avant quick hitch, you know, Avant have 200 attachment in their catalog, and we have also a lot of attachments as well. So yeah, very nice machine. Very wide. You have the grass pattern tire on this one. It can with the agricultural tire as well. You have the nice ROPS and FOPS frame for security. Very good, very nice. Okay, so this is our H190 telescopic. It has 1000 operation capacity and 3.4 meters reach. It's really high reach with this machine. Perfect for the farmer who wants to stack bales. Yeah, very nice telescopic boom. Also, it has the hydraulic function as well and Avant quick hitch. So more than 200 attachments available. We have most of them. Just contact us and we can send you our catalog for attachments. This one has agricultural tires. We also have this tire as an option. There's also another, like a fishbone tire, we also have available. You have LED lights on all of these machines. This one is our H220 telescopic. It has the same reach, but it has a higher operating capacity. You can handle 1200 kilo with this one. There's also a different seat. You have the spring seat on this one. Yeah, a little upgraded version of our 190. Also, this one has the engine hood in the back. So you can also tilt the cabin on this one. 3.4 meters reach. Same hydraulic function, Avant quick hitch. And this is the FOPS ROPS frame for security. If you tip over, you should not tip over a wheel loader. That's not good. Be careful. Yeah, and all of these models has the articulated joint. And that's why you should be careful, because you can tip over. But if you handle it safely, you will be all fine. So this machine has gearbox and cardan shaft, so it's really strong. You have 2 gears. I think it's much better than other machines that have just hydraulic motors on the wheels. This has more power. And then we have our 280 We have 2 units here. We can take a look on this machine as well. It's with the double linkage system. You have hydraulic function and you have the hydraulic quick hitch. So this is our standard quick hitch, but you can choose whatever quick hitch you want. We have all available: Weidemann, Giant, Trima, Euro. Yeah, we can do any quick hitch you want. Also, this has the nice LED headlight as well. Really nice light. And you have a good heater package. Also, you have the Android computer in this one with the music system and the rear view camera as well. So basically, all of these machines have been sent here from our factory in China. It's for show. We want our customers in Europe be able to come here, visit us, to test the machines and see what is Heracles all about. So come to Sweden. You are welcome here to test our machines. Yeah, please come. Yeah, I was just thinking, I want to let you guys know a bit about Heracles Machinery. Heracles Machinery is a manufacturer. We produce machines, wheel loaders, dumpers, attachments, all those kind of things. Our factory is in Pingdu, China, and now we opened the office in Europe to reach our customer, to help the customers better, to serve them better with parts, spare parts. We have the spare parts warehouse being built here now, and this is our new showroom here in Sweden. So that's little about us. We have been producing machines from 2014. From the start, there was no sales organization from our factory. It was dealt by dealers, basically traders in China took care of the sales of these machines from our factory. But from last year, we are developing our own sales team. We have our own office, spare parts systems. Yeah, so we are developing the sales, service, and manufacturing. And also, yeah, I also help a bit with the technical part, like development. That's basically my job. I'm the European manager now. I take care for developing and take care of our customers and dealers in Europe. So if any problem occur, I will be the one to help you guys. So that's a bit about Heracles Machinery. So Heracles Machinery produce around 800 units per year now. We aim for a lot more. We will reach, I think, 2,000 units pretty soon, maybe this coming year, maybe more as well. We produce a lot of the smaller machines now. Before we did bigger machines, but recently we focus more for small machines. We think it's better now to work with smaller machines, easier to ship, we can load more efficient as a manufacturer as well. So that's a little about Heracles Machinery. I just want to let you guys know, Heracles gonna really develop this year through this office in Europe with the spare parts and everything. Our goal is to ship parts within 24 hours from ordering. That's our goal. We will try our best to reach that. We really want to take care of our customers, and that's what we are aiming for. Because we understand the customer needs the machine, it needs to work, you need the spare parts when it's broken, and yeah, that's our goals. So we will do our best to achieve our goals. So now you've seen all our models that we just received now. We have more models as well. It's being produced and it will come here as well. We will do in-depth videos on all of these models to show you really all details like engine, pumps, show you how is the drive system and all of that. So stay tuned, it's coming on our channel. So please follow us, subscribe on our channel down here, And yeah, that's it. Have a great day, everyone.